the movie is important for every actor and actress.
Absolutely.
For you as an individual, it's more important because you are the son of a legendary actress.
Right.
So, is there any pressure as such, or more expectation kind of a thing from your side?
Yes, I see. I definitely feel. I completely agree with you that every film is important, no matter whether it's your first film, your second film, or the 100th film that you're doing. You know, because this is an industry where fortunes will fluctuate depending on with each passing Friday. Being a star kid, since my mother's been part of the industry for the past 36 years now, there's an added, I would not say pressure, but there's an added sense of responsibility because she has built such a wonderful career and such a wonderful name. And I would not in any way like to demean that. If anything at all, I would like to further that in whatever way I could. So there's a sense of responsibility. Now, there are two ways I can go about it. I can either buckle up under pressure and then I will not be able to perform well and well, the writing's going to be on the wall, or I can use that to my advantage that this is a challenge that life has thrown at me, so let's go out there and make the most of it.
You are working in a Hindi movie as such, but you are not very well conserved with Hindi language. So what kind of challenge or what kind of learning experience you have by working in a film as such?
It's been a really good experience in my life, not only like as an actress, but for myself, because I've been learning a lot with everyone and everything, not only like Hindi, but I'm learning how to live in another country, how to be part of that culture. And it takes time to learn. You don't born learning everything, so I don't know how to speak English, now I'm speaking English, so I'm trying to learn Hindi. I hope soon I can be talking Hindi with you guys. So it's not easy, it's really tough,
Okay.
but you just need to be like, just need to believe that you can, and that's what I've been doing. I've been working hard and I have been believing that I can do it, and yeah, hope I can get better and better.
Adit, you are an actor as such. You do understand the market, audience taste. It's about Khans, it's about Kumars. So how will the audience accept this kind of movie as such, and what will be the reason for that purpose?
See, agreed. A lot of the market is conquered by the Khans and Kumars and the Kapoors right now, and the Singhs. But you see a lot of newcomers that have come in, and they have done a fabulous job, and people have accepted them. Agar aap abhi dekhoge, two states they are doing fabulous business, So people have opened up to a lot of newcomers, and to be honest, this film I would not really focus upon it being a newcomers film or something like that. Why? Because we have a beautiful story. अगर आप देखेंगे तो movies as of right now today they would be really glossy and talking about today's times, but we in Purani Genes we take you to an era which was the 90s. It was a very beautiful era, so it's something different that we're giving you. एक वो जो innocent friendship थी, जो innocent love था,